Hi guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how I detangle my daughter's hair without a lot of screaming. Of course, kids, they will always complain, but it's different from when they scream and cry all the time. So I'll be showing you how I do that. So this hair has been for like 2 months now. They've been carrying this hair it's like 6 to 7 weeks now, yeah. So I cut the hair to where her hair stopped, and then I pick it out. And after picking it out, you see how the hair is like kind of dreading at the roots, and that is the part that is really painful when you're detangling children's hair. So I'm going to be showing you how I do it effortlessly. um yes, so after taking out the hair, you see this part that is all matted up, and it's been there for weeks, and it's really going to be very painful when you pick it out. So I'm going to be using EJ hair oil. I'm going to put some of the oil in that particular area where it's all matted, and I'll massage it in, use my fingers and massage it in. And that's how I do it and take it out. When I finish doing it like this, I'll go to the next one and take it out. So by the time I finish taking out all the hair, the ones that I have added this oil will all melt and easy for me to pick out. So that's how I do it. And you will see she will not cry much, not cry much even. She will not cry at all, but we make noise of as a child that she is. So this particular one, I've added oil before doing the last one I did, so it's a bit soft, and you can see how seamless I'm taking out the knots on the hair. So take it out gently, make sure you separate it so that it won't hurt the child. So when I see children taking out hair and they are crying and screaming and kicking, it's really painful. I know how it is on adults, not to talk more of children. Okay, so this I would really recommend each and everyone who have a child that makes their hair to buy this product, EJ oil. EJ oil softens the hair, conditions it, and makes it easy for you to comb. You see the way I'm doing it, gentle, and it's all the knots will melt and come off the hair, and the child will not have headache after you finish making her hair or taking off the old hair. It's really good to try. EJ oil will melt and soften every curse hair that is really tight. It will do that. And that's how I go on to another one. And this one is still very strong. I just took it out, so I'll go to the one that is softer, because when you put the oil there and leave it for a while, it helps to melt and detangle. Look at how this one is coming off easily, because it has gone into the strands, into the hair, and softens it. So try this on your child and thank me later. Bye.